Okay, today I'm gonna show you how we can remove the mirror from this door from Audi A1 2018. What you have to do, remove this door panel card, just I already showed in another video, and we have to remove these rubber covers. We have two in this side and we have another one here. I already removed those two, and now we're gonna have to remove this one as well. Okay, and we're gonna have to remove all this which holds the wire, because we're gonna have to take the wires out. Okay, and unplug this plug here just like that. So take this one out, take this red thing out, lock, I think it's a lock, that one, the red lock out, push this small plastic inside and pull the plug out. So okay, and now here we will gonna need so inside there we have 3 screws with 10 mil socket. Yeah, so I'm gonna put 10 mil extension and let it drill. Okay, let's take it out slowly because we don't need to drop the nut inside of the door. You can unscrew the nuts by hand with the ratchet. Okay, I think I'm gonna do that as well because I don't have enough space. Let's see. Okay, here inside there you have a small cover which you have to push the inner side to pass through. Okay, let me see if I... Okay, so I done it right. Let's see. Okay, so I unscrew it. If you will gonna drop the nut, let's suppose say you're gonna drop the nut inside, you just have to unscrew this speaker with T25, remove it out, take the nut out and put everything back, and that's it. Okay, now we have to push this rubber inside. Okay, remove this holder, that's it. And we have to see what else we have to remove to take the mirror out. Yeah, so this one is gonna be a bit difficult, but now what I'm gonna do, remove the speaker. I'm gonna remove the speaker just like I already told you with T25, because I want to put the hand inside of the door to take the wires much easier. Boom. So as you can see, okay, for me now it's much easier because I can control the wire, yeah, because he's passing through this side. Okay, let's see. Good. So make sure when you remove the wires and when you push them inside, when you plug them in, so when you change the other one. When you take everything back, when you put the new mirror back, you will gonna have to do the same thing. Yeah, you have to put the wires in the same way, just like you remove them. Yeah, otherwise you're gonna have problem with the window, so that is not gonna be good for you. Okay, you have another plastic holder inside, which holds the wire. So I'm gonna have to see how I'm gonna remove that. Okay, I take it out. Boom. You can shake it, you can do whatever you can, but just remove the plug, and boom, this is the way how you remove the mirror. You can do the same thing for the right side. Yeah, okay, so if you like this video, you can give me one like. If you want to see more videos, you can watch on my YouTube channel, and you can give me subscribe if you like. If you want to support the channel, you can go through my website snstuning.co, and you can buy some stuff. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.